guys! Welcome back to my channel, and once again, this is Inday the Vlogger. So karon I will na ako sa the pyramid here in I.T Park. Na may press conference for a certain upcoming event, which is the WHATTA Splash. I'm waiting for the rest of the gang, the Bisaya YouTubers Club, and the rest of the new joinee sa BYC, and hopefully padong na sila dire. But anyhow, please stay tuned for more updates on what's be happening today on this press conference. Bye!
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm still here. May transfer na ko sa reservation table yun na mo. And I'm still waiting for the rest of the gang. So, ang among call time is 7 p.m. Yet, I believe the press conference will start at 8 p.m. Kaya na ng chug-chugs nila. Hindi na makapiright. I hope so. But, we'll still be replacing a different song just to make sure nga dili na makapiright. But gutom na dyan, guys. I think here in Pyramid, this is my second time around. Really. But I haven't yet tried to go upstairs. Never. Naradyo ko dire sa ubos. Pero gaya nila, guys. Wala ko mag-expect na dili ko ma-trap sa traffic because gikan pa ko sa Lashon, and from Lashon to Pacific Mall, grabe ang traffic ganiha, but much tolerable ang ganiha. I didn't expect that. And then afterwards, nagkabahabal ako pa doon rin. So dili pa kay traffic kaayo, but surely traffic na dyan yan yung oras. People are now really feeling the holidays. So every day, not bisag dili weekends, it's really traffic. Ang uban mo gikan sa Colon, ang uban gikan sa Fuente, and they are still on their way. It's really good thing na ang event is dire sa I.T Park because pag uli na ray bus. So it's very much convenient and no hassle. Inig pa uli. So wala, pagya pa sila, guys. So may oras. Time check, it's 5:55. Wala pa. I'm still feeling sick. And I've been drinking medicines for 2 days from now. I don't really drink medicine unless it's necessary. Pero it already lasted for 1 week, so I think I really need to drink one. So, I think I'm seeing a familiar face. I think Sir Rocky. Ano yung kit eh? Right, I never siya CR. Pero ba sinagasyon na sa siya? Ano na lang. So I'm wearing my shirt, Mobile Photography Philippines. As you all know, I love mobile photography and I'm taking pictures as well. And I am a previous ambassador sa MPPH.
You're from?
So Rocky's here. Nana ko'y kauban, guys. Ari ka! Pareha na ta, uy. Ari ka! Munang gisipon, guys, nagainom o gano juice.
No, it's vitamin C, right?
It's full of sugar.
Just a joke.
Asa di kagikan? Di ba out to ka free? Yeah.
Nahulog ko yung Ayala for an hour or less than an hour. And you need to stay somewhere, so I went to Item Page. After that, still have time. So like, where am I going? So I went to shop just to check shoes. And afterwards,
Bawal ba mo tambay sa niya?
it's okay. No, ilang hours, 8 hours ko na dito. Stay na po for another 3 hours.
Sige, sain yung sleeping lunch.
Ano ito ko stay na dito?
Pasya, guys.